working on this 2018 Volkswagen Jetta SE TSI. We're replacing the actual parking lights on this vehicle. On the driver's side, it's already completed, as you can see. That's how the finished results will look like. Passenger side, we're actually have that one still taken apart so we can show you how we did it. So let's get to it, okay? First of all, you're actually gonna pull a little cover that goes right here, okay? It's a black cover. It'll look like this one. It's just held on by clips. Just reach into this area right here and it just pops out. Lens, it's held on by two 10 millimeters over here, okay? It'll be these ones. Okay, so be careful not to pull it too hard. You don't want to rip that or cause any damage to it. You can unplug it before you actually pull it, and you should be able to get it out. And then once that's out, the actual mechanism that holds the actual bulbs, it's held down by three clips. There'll be one right here, and one over here, and one over here. If you press those in, the whole unit comes out. It'll give you this part right here, okay? This the one with the circuits. So that's the piece you will pull out of there. And then all you do is pull out your bulbs, put in the new ones, and pretty much test them before assembling everything. And pretty much once you see that it's working, you're good to go. So let me activate the reverse light so like that we can make sure that it actually works as well. Reverse light. Alright, so there you go. That's a T15. As you can see, it's working really good. The bulbs themselves are not flickering, it's just the camera itself, okay? And that's how it'll look on the actual lens, okay? So we know everything's working fine. Now we can assemble everything, okay? So what he's gonna do right now is just disconnect the cable so it makes it easier to work with. Let's disconnect the cable to make it easy to pull out the unit. And then after that, you can just put it back into its place. Make sure you line it up. As you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3 clips, okay? Those are the ones you want to push outwards when you're going to take it out, and then just line it up same place to put it back in. And with that, it completes the installation, and you would do the same steps for the driver's side, okay? So other than that, if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out with that. Thank you for watching.